Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create Reels on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then log in your account. And then after that, you want to click on this plus sign on the lower part of your screen. Then after that, you want to click Reel. And now you can start and take your video. Okay, so once you're done with your video, just click on next. Okay, so in here you can also add some music by clicking the music button, add some effects, okay, add some stickers or even text. So once you've done that, just click on next, and then here you can tag people, add message button. So here you can also share it to Facebook. So just after you've done that, just click share. Sorry, just need to click share, edit cover, share to Reels. So I believe there's an error, but after you click share to Reels, you're now good to go because your Reel is now posted on your account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.